Hello, Scratchers! And now that you're doing so many projects and exploring and playing on Scratch platform, here is a great tip that you were looking for. When you play different games on Scratch and you've noticed when the game finishes, the creator of the project shows up something fancy, a logo or some thank you or something like that. Some of you asked me how to do this. So it's really simple. So I'm going to just quickly give you that tip. I'm going to press on the stop button. And did you see what happened? The Panchatantra programming logo came up. So whatever you want, initially you hide it. Okay. And then in a forever loop, you're going to use this sensor code. In sensing code, you have something called a timer variable with a reset timer. So what you do, you reset timer. So basically what happens is that it tries to increase the timer, but it keeps trying to reset it. That's what this forever code does. Then you use the special event, this event which has loudness and timer. You probably may not have used it earlier. Here you say when timer is greater than 1, you show this. So this timer will keep resetting it, and the moment you stop it, there will be a fraction of moment when the value will go up higher, and then you can show it. Go ahead, explore your creativity, create your wonderful logos, and share your project. I really look forward to them. Have fun. Ta-da!